Hi, welcome to Car Corner. For this video, we will be demonstrating on how to activate the adaptive cruise control. Now, the adaptive cruise control is a system designed to help road vehicles maintain a safe following distance and stay within the speed limit. It adjusts the vehicle speed automatically to keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, enhancing both safety and convenience during driving. For me, basta napapadaan ako sa expressway, I always use adaptive cruise control kasi iba talaga yung convenience na binibigay niya sa'yo while driving. So, let's start the video. Before we start, make sure that the road is clear and free from any hazards. To activate, just press the button and then pull the lever down. After you pull down the lever, the vehicle will lock its speed at its current speed. Now you may remove your foot on the gas pedal. You may increase the speed of the vehicle as you decide by pulling up the lever. Also, if you want to reduce speed, you may pull down the lever. Now just enjoy the drive. But always be mindful of the road condition and the driving tendencies of other vehicles. Now, as you can see, there is a vehicle in the front. You will now notice that the vehicle will slowly reduce its speed. You may also adjust your distance from the vehicle ahead. Now, if the front is clear, the vehicle will immediately increase its speed based on your settings. Now, to deactivate the adaptive cruise control, just press the button again, or you may press on the brakes slightly. Then press the gas pedal. That's it. Ang dali lang gamitin ng adaptive cruise control ng Toyota Fortuner. If you find this video interesting, please like the video and also consider subscribing. Thank you. I hope to see you again on the next videos.